I'm going to teach you how to chat, make video calls, and create groups in Gmail. We'll go step by step so you can use these features efficiently and stay connected with friends, family, or colleagues. To start, open Gmail and look for the settings icon at the top right corner. It looks like a small gear. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select See All Settings to open the full Gmail settings page where multiple tabs and options are available. Next, click on the Chat and Meet tab. Here, you'll find options to enable a Google Video Chat. Select Google Chat to integrate chat and video call features into Gmail. Don't forget to scroll down and click Save Changes to apply your settings. Gmail will refresh and your new chat options will appear in the sidebar. Now, to start chatting, click on the chat option in the sidebar. Then click the new chat button, which opens a search box. Type the email address of the person you want to chat with and double check for typos. Click Start Chat to open a chat window and begin your conversation. You can also start a video call from the chat window. Look for the small video camera icon and click it. This will ring the recipient and start a video call as soon as they answer. Creating groups is also easy. In the chat section, click on Create Room or Create Group, name your group, and add participants. This allows you to have team discussions or group chats without leaving Gmail. With these features, Gmail becomes more than just an email service. It's a hub for messaging, video calls, and team collaboration. Practice using these tools, and soon you'll be switching between emails, chats, and video calls seamlessly. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of Gmail's chat and video call features, keeping your communications organized and efficient. Happy organizing!